Introduction to Nmap, the ultimate network scanning tool. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more content like this. What is Nmap? Nmap is Network Mapper. Nmap is a most popular tools for network discovery, security auditing, and vulnerability assessment. It helps in scanning networks and identifying open ports, detecting services, and more. Key features of Nmap. Host discovery. Identifies active devices on a network. Port scanning. Detects open ports and services running on a target machine. Service version detection. Determines the version of services running on open ports. OS detection. Identifies the operating system and its version. Scripting engine. Runs security scripts to find vulnerabilities. Firewall evasion techniques. Bypasses firewalls and ID systems. Network mapping. Creates a topology of network devices. Scans the single target IP or domain for open ports. -A. Performs an aggressive scan which includes OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and traceroute. -P. Scans only ports 22, SSH, 80, HTTP, and 443, HTTPS. -P- scans all ports from 1 to 65535. -ST performs a full TCP connection scan. This is less stealthy than other scan types. It is three-way handshake. -SS. SYN scan is more stealthy because it does not complete the TCP handshake. -SV service version detection. Detects versions of the services running on open ports, example, Apache, SSH. -O. OS detection. Tries to detect the operating system of the target machine. -PN. Nmap will scan the IP address without checking if the host is up via a ping. It will check whether the HTTP port 80 and HTTPS port 443 services are open on google.com. -ON option in Nmap is used to save the output of your scan in a normal, human-readable format to a file. -F option in Nmap is used to perform a fast scan of the target. -R option in Nmap is used to scan ports in a random order rather than the default sequential order. -SR option in Nmap is used for RPC, remote procedure call, scan. It is a type of Nmap scan that attempts to detect services related to RPC over various ports. -F. This option tells Nmap to fragment the packets that it sends during the scan. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.